Hello guys, my name is Ansar Ahmad and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to learn that how can you create a Google account. So first of all, click on open up your web browser and then click on the search bar and search for create Google account. Just type create Google account and press the enter button or the search button to continue your search. Now scroll down and click on the Google account. You can always create it from the other website, but I usually do it from this one. Now all you have to do is to click create an account. When you click this, you'll see this page. Now type your first name in the first box. In the second box that follows the first box, you have to put your last name, and below that you see the username. Now the username should be very unique. That if you choose a username that is already taken by someone, then it won't allow you to continue to the next page. Now I choose my username, and after that you have to select type a password, make sure it's strong enough. Now confirm your password and click on the next button. Now the username I choose was already taken by someone, so I made some changes in it, and then I click the next button. After clicking the next button, I see this. Now here you have to provide your personal phone number. You can always change your country from that flag. Now after that you have to provide your date of birth, the month, the day, and the date and the year. After that, select your gender and click on the next button. Now confirm that it is your phone number and you want to receive the code. Now they will send a confirmation code to your phone number, and with through SMS or call. That is up to if you want to select which one. Now type that code in that box and click the next button. Now here click the yes I'm in. After clicking the yes I'm in button, this is an agreement, and click on the I agree. If you want to read this agreement, you should. Now this is your Google account. You can always change your password, phone number, contact from the left column. Now if you want to sign in your Google account, just click there and now click on this key button. When you click this, just look at the left corner and click on the You and Google, click on the turn off and turn off click. Now you can sign it from here, but if you want to sign it from other place, you can always cancel this. Cancel all the tabs, click on a new tab and click here this icon and turn on signing. Click on the turn on signing. Now when you click on this, is the same page that you received when you click on the turn on signing. Now here you have to put your email or phone, so just put your email that you just created. All right, this is the username. You have to put the username in place of email. Click the next button and now type down here your password and click the next button. This is your Google account has been signed in Google Chrome. Now all the passwords and everything that you save for social media or something will be saved here in this Google account. Now if you want to see if you want to check out your Gmail, just click that part and it will start loading. You can also search it from www.gmail.com. It will also load you to the same page. Now this is your Gmail account. In the primary tab you receive emails from your friends or companies that have a separate email, and in the social tab you receive mails from the social media. In the promotion tab you receive emails from you receive advertisement emails. All right, you receive advertisement mails in the promotion tab. You can always personalize your Gmail, like the thumb, like the background. All right, you can always change it. You can use the Hangout. You can start a meeting, join a meeting. You should check all the options. This was all for today. If you liked our today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and learn how videos.